This is the best herbal drink for your health. We are going to prepare it. This is the national ingredient we are using to prepare it. This one is hibiscus flower. So join me on this final episode. You are going to enjoy it. This is the process we are using to prepare this drink. It's not easy because to gather some material for this process is very, very difficult. You can see all the leaves. We are about to pound it inside the mortar. This is the process we are using to prepare it. Then this is our pineapple peel. We are using it to prepare this drink. For those who are the lover of zobo, this is not the kind of zobo you bought there in the market. This is our ingredient we are using to prepare this national organic drink. You are going to love it. This is a process we are using to prepare it. It's not really easy for us, but we have to show you in order for you to prepare these herbs in your homes. It's very good. It's one of the energy drink that will cleanse away every toxin in your body and energize your health and build your immunity. Join me on this episode. You are going to like it. You see that we are transferring our herbs inside our pot. We are about to undergo with kaisi were megini kaisi were akọwanya bụ ihe ị ga-like nya bụ ihe. What you can do for me whenever you are watching or across the video, please endeavor to share it so that our people out there can do this within the comfort of their home. You see, then we added our water. You can see it here now. Then we are about to set it on fire. You can see it. So join us very soon. You will see our finishing product. This is our herbs. You can see it. So this is not just ordinary zobo you dey buy in market. You see it. So let us filter it. You see it. That kind of zobo you buy in market. This zobo drink has a lot of benefits. Number one, if you're having kidney and liver problem, make use of this liquid. Number two, hypertension, high cholesterol. Then also, if you want your belly to flat, make use of this drink. If you're having sugar, diabetes, make use of this. And also, if you are having loss of memory or weight loss or hormonal balancing, or as a man you are having low sperm count and less of them, please prepare these herbs. You see the shaft here. You see it. Prepare it according to my instruction. If you cannot get all about this herb, anyone you could gather for me, make use of it. It will work, and it take many other health related issues. Thank you all. Then remember that the best is not yet to come. So see it as an adult. You see it. You take it 1 glass tumbler. If na children, serve them half glass tumbler. Okay. So let it cool small. Then this one hot. Really close to me. This is our zobo drink. So once more, let me drink it. Very good. Don't add sugar to it. Then if you do it in the big well, you can put it in your freezer. So once in the morning time, you collect 1 glass tumbler. Once thing in the evening time, do as I say. So make this thing as your national drink. I can assure you, you will come to my comments, thank me. Thank you all, and remain blessed. Bye for now.